Also, the first question, read the first question that I gave you. Sorry? Okay. Define the term family. It's a basic social what? Unit. Yes. It comprises of a father, mother, and children, and any other members. Also, there are those extended family which include father, mother, children, cousins, and other relatives. Yes? And there are different types of families as we talked about. There is nuclear, extended, polygamous, and single family. Question B?
Compare the traditional African and Christian concept of family.
Yes, similarities. When you're told you compare, you write the similarities and the differences. In both traditional African and Christian, the family is a basic social unit of the society. So it's a social unit in the society in both African and traditional. Also, you must start in both. A family has its foundation in marriage. In both, the foundation is the beginning. The beginning of a family is what? Marriage. In both, it's for procreation. If you've written for procreation. Also, the main purpose of family is to upbringing of children, proper upbringing of children. Also, in both, children are a gift and a blessing from God. Also, in both, it is meant to be permanent. A family unit is permanent. You're not supposed to, if you're the spouse, you're not supposed to separate because it's going to separate the whole what? Family. Also, the family is a religious center. It is the foundation of religious center. Remember, in the traditional African society, we also have our own beliefs, right? Yes, we have God in the traditional African society. Then we have the differences of families or the concept of family. In the traditional African families, children are a must. While in Christianity, the family is complete with or without what? Children. In the traditional African communities, a family is polygamous. It's mainly for polygamous, whereas in Christian family, it's what? Monogamous. In the traditional African family, the existence of the living dead, and the yet to be born are focused on, while the family is only the parents and the children which are focused on. Remember, what I'm saying is, in a traditional family, the yet to be born, the ancestors, and the living are all inclusive. But in the Christian family, we only include what? Children, parents, and the living what? Relatives. The wife belongs to the clan. The wife belongs to the clan in the traditional African family. Whereas in a Christian family, it is the wife belongs to the husband, and so also the husband belongs to the who? To the wife. So it's a union between the husband and the wife. Are we together? Also, in the traditional African communities, a family is related by birth, marriage, and adoption. Whereas in a Christian family, it is only a nuclear family only. A family is related by birth, marriage, or adoption. That is in our traditional African family. But in Christianity, it's only the nuclear family that is the main focus. In traditional African communities, divorce is not allowed in a family. Whereas in Christianity, it is, both it's not allowed. Yes, in traditional, it's where it is allowed under certain circumstances. It's allowed if the woman is what? Is mad. Yes, as it's mad. It's called what? She has insanity. It's allowed in some cases, but in Christianity, it is not allowed at any circumstances. The husband is the head of the family in the traditional African communities, whereas in Christianity, they are equal what? Partners. Question number 2.
Explain the meaning of responsible parenthood.
Responsible parenthood is bringing up children in the right what? In the right way. Bringing up children in the right way. Or you say it's a situation where parents provide to all the needs of the children. They are concerned with all the aspects of life. So responsible parenthood is seen in parents who do what? The following. Number one, they understand their roles as parents. They provide education for their children. They train their children on religious matters. They teach their children's good character. Oh, you call them morals, yes. They also love all their children without discrimination and are very hardworking to provide for the needs of the family. Ways in which Christians can demonstrate responsible parenthood. We said you bring up children in the fear of God or knowing God. You teach them also love of God and the love of neighbor. You give them quality time, or you spend quality time with your children. And you show love and concern to your children. And you love all your children in the same way. You are also supposed to be a role model to your children. You train them for future responsibilities. Are you trained at home to be in your future responsibility as a man? You encourage dialogue with between parents and children. You are supposed to discipline them when they go wrong, and you respect their rights. You provide them with opportunities to receive formal education. That's all.